This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you? This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you?
Hey there. My name is Mario, and I am an AI model. Hey there. My name is Mario, and I am an AI model.
The videos that you have just watched are AI images that were converted into videos, and then I added lip sync using this AI tool called Klink. So let me show you how you can add lip sync on your AI videos using Klink AI. Now the first thing you need to do is to log into Klink and then sign up for a free account, and you'll get 166 free credits that you can use to generate images and videos. And once you're here, we shall use this feature called AI video. Go ahead and tap on it to open. And open this option called lip sync. So I'll use this lip sync. Now you can drop your video here that you want to add lip sync. Alternatively, you can use the already available video samples within Klink. Now I'll go ahead and select the first one, which is this, and this is a 5 seconds video. Now if I play it, you can see there is nothing and the lips aren't moving. So we want to make the lips move according to the text that I'm going to give it. And before I just proceed, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So let's proceed. So I have a text here that I want to use, and it's just a short text. This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you? So I'll add a question mark because it's a question. Now the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and select the voice. And there are a number of voices here. So let's sample through and see which one we can use. So let's see.
This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you?
Of course, not that, because we need a child voice or a female voice.
This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you?
I have that.
This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you?
That is a mature female.
This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you?
Wow, I like that. I think I'll go with that. So let's select Blossom.
This is a beautiful day. What can
Great. There are quite a number of them. You can go ahead, sample all through and find the perfect one that matches your video. Now the next thing we need to do is to go ahead and determine the speech rate. If you want it slow, you can reduce. If you want it faster, you can increase this speech rate. I just like to leave it at 1. And then the next thing you have to do is to go and select the emotion. So this neutral, we have happy.
This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you?
And of course we have angry.
This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you?
We have sad.
This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you?
We have fearful.
This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you?
So for me, I'll go with happy, and I'm okay with it. Now the next thing we need to do is to go ahead and generate. So to do so, use this generate function here, and 5 credits will be used from your balance. So the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and hit generate. And the generation is done, and now let's listen in.
This is a beautiful day.
Look at
What
that.
can I do for you? This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you?
And as you can see, the lips perfectly matches the words, and this is great. So let's go ahead and generate another one. And before you generate another one, to download this, all you need to do is to hit the download option, which is here.
This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you?
So we shall go again, and so this time around, I'm going to use this avatar. Let me select it. Then I'll go ahead and enter our text here. So let me paste the text here. Then go ahead and select the voice. And to make it simple, instead of going or sampling through all the voices, you can simply select the gender of your voice. For instance, I have the male option here. So this will highlight all the male voices that we have on Klink AI. So let me sample through them.
Hey there. My name is Mario, and I am an AI model.
Hey there, my name is Mario.
So I think I'll go with Sunny. And then for this case, let's choose the mode as sad and see what will come out.
Hey there. My name is Mario, and I am an AI model.
Let's change it to, let me see, surprised.
Hey there. My name is Mario, and I am an AI model.
I think I'll go with this. So let's go ahead and generate, and again 5 credits will be used. And here we go. So our generation is done, and let's listen in.
Hey there. My name is Mario, and I am an AI model. Hey there. My name is Mario, and I am an AI model.
And that is great. So you can go ahead and add lip sync to as many videos as you can. And once you're done, you can download them directly to your computer to get them. So that's how you add lip sync to your videos using Klink AI. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.